Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility and having the carrier details ready. This saves time. Open Settings and tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan to start scanning the carrier QR or enter the activation code. If the carrier offers an app, you can choose Install via app instead. This automates activation. Make sure Wi-Fi is active so the phone can contact carrier servers, and keep your current SIM active until the eSIM is confirmed to avoid losing service. Once done scanning or entering details, the phone downloads the eSIM profile. This may take a minute. You will be prompted to label the plan so you can distinguish numbers and to set default behavior for voice, SMS, and cellular data. Choose based on usage. If prompted, select which line is your iMessage/Face timeline and whether to allow cellular data switching. Make sure to follow carrier prompts to complete activation. Some require a confirmation text or restart to finalize the link. You finish by confirming the eSIM shows active under cellular plans and that you have signal and data. Make a quick call or load a web page to test. If activation stalls, restart the iPhone or toggle airplane mode to force re-registration. This often resolves network provisioning delays. If problems persist, note the eSIM ICSID and activation code, then contact your carrier. Explain you scanned/installed an eSIM so they can check provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.